Okay, guys, welcome back to PFS. Yes.
Yes, guys.
So we are here with a brand new movie. We don't really know any of my movie yet, but just know that the movie are going nice and going to be epic. Yeah.
And we all here, 4 of us.
Yeah.
We got in a Panama trip coming up in December, but we're going to start book flight in September. So we are looking for sponsor. We are calling now. Little help.
Yeah, we are looking for
little help.
donation
Yes.
and sponsor.
And the Charmaine want to go, Moody want to go, and Deandra want to go, and also me, I want to go.
Yes,
and if you guys
first time flying with
yes. And if you guys want to help, we really appreciate your help.
So you can contact the number on the screen to get to Popeye to get the basic information that you guys need.
And
if you guys want to sponsor. We know we have a lot of haters out there, we know we have a lot of fans, but I wish my haters all the best. So no good.
If you get the movie to one good amount of views, the movie can carry. But if you don't do that, don't want to sponsor them.
The movie can
really
appreciate it. The movie can bring some away, not all away. Can pay for some away flight, but not all away flight. The whole 4 of us here want to go. So yeah, the movie can book. If you don't carry the movie, go 300k views or 500k views. The movie can book maybe 2 of us flight, but if not, we're gonna need sponsors to book our flight to go to Panama. So we will really appreciate you guys offer.
And remember to tell a friend
like,
share the movie, like,
comment and subscribe.
Yeah.
And remember me telling you, the first time I fly, I feel like FIFA.
My first time too, guys.
My first time too, guys.
So mighty people, alright.
From the comment section, tell what do you like about the movie and what you don't like, and tell me what movie do you guys want to see us do.
Yes. And the Charmaine now.
Upcoming.
Yes, DJ, you've had a lot. Mighty people, as they've said, we definitely want to go to Panama. So like up the movie, share up the movie, and let PFS name gone abroad. So everybody here and the rest of the team wants to go, and you guys can make it possible.
Yeah, we're going to film over there as well. Yes. So you guys will get lots of movies.
So we're going to see better movie,
nice
better
movie.
quality of everything.
Yeah. Peace out.
Flight.
One love. Big up on yourself.
Every time.
Every weekend him switch up him style. One phone a ring, one phone on silent all the while. One baby mother in a country, one live in town. Both believer them alone wear the crown. Him smiling at them face, tell 1,000 lies, but truth can't hide forever in disguise. 2 little daughters in each household grow. None of them know what tomorrow I go show. Secrets buried deep underground. Every lie always come back around. When the truth was sold, everybody cry. No man can escape what money can buy. Living a double life, playing dangerous games. Different house, different love, calling different names. But destiny have a way to expose every plan. Soon the whole world know the truth about the man living a double life. Couldn't make it right. Darkness always lose against the light. One family reunion bring everybody near. The daughters meet and something strange appear. Same smile, same laugh, same eyes and face. Like destiny put them in the same place. Then the mothers freeze when stories unfold. A family secret finally told. The 2 baby mothers look in each other's eyes, then realize they are sisters in disguise.
Oh God, sun hot stress in the morning, yeah? I want to ask you something. Ask one serious question. Why when we used to go to school, Daddy not giving enough money for lunch money, and and pay school fee them, and you have to do everything. If I never feel you would have the education at all. Why? And you struggle and go through so much with our father not doing it.
Well, it's like they recognize. But you can't get blood from a stone and go work I don't know how much him earn. And 9 to 5 not really pay. That's why I always encourage, to start a business. Me have my little business and that to push me through. That's why I can't depend on man. Him say, him a work. I know.
So, mommy, when my sister say I choose sales, but you believe that they work in dressing, I photo tie house and see. I don't work dressing that day.
Well,
That look like a bar work or something, but in a work. That's
every time you
allow
ask
me to
him,
tell sis. Alright.
every time you ask him what him do, him go around the subject and him can't explain. Or him explain in a riddles and him not explain fully what him do. So, me not see no evidence to prove otherwise.
You sure I ain't nothing for you?
Can't swear for man, And never swear for a man or a woman. Can only responsible yourself for what do. But that's why me independent. Cause as you say, if me never provide, couldn't go to school, couldn't eat, that dead man in nutrition, CPA would have taken away. But once you come provide and put bread pan on the table, is an independent woman.
That's true.
You can't swear for your father.
You work hard, you work very hard. You don't deserve this treatment from daddy. Alright, cause daddy a treat you.
Well, I say in life sometimes, ain't nothing can ramp with me, And if me ever find out anything, a judgment day like this.
Well, he might ramp with the money. Nah, ramp with him, I ramp with the money.
You must know. That's why I need to provide my own.
Mommy, you know about breakfast?
We have the water after put in the franks and thing. So, yeah, man. All I say, learn from this. Here,
Learn
be an
no.
independent woman. Then, no, have to depend on no man. If they want skylark, for them business.
So, mommy, are they I forget today?
I have my time. You see, when you work for yourself, profit is better than wages. When I work for myself, so I set my own hours. Look after my baby them first, look after the house first. When I can tidy up the shoes and tidy up, and me sort out work first. Yeah?
Yes, mommy.
All right. Teamwork make the dream work.
Yes, mommy.
So, girl, you feel so daddy dead? Girl, anything mama say I hit me at work with. You should tell me say him die, then him die. You should tell me say he have fall a big mansion done this, so I hit me at work with. Anything you say I hit me at work with. Well, I believe say mommy did. Daddy did. Me all say mommy, I believe say daddy did. Me not believe so either, but what you can do? If she says so, that's how it go. What have to just sing?
Focus on the future.
Mommy, we are focused on the future, mommy, but who want know we father?
Your father passed a long time
So,
ago.
how you can show me in grave all now?
In buried in our cemetery, we don't have time for that.
And you can
So wait,
never
you mean
show
to tell me
one
say-
picture on the phone and say, yeah, how we father that. And I
You
sister,
realize a different phone we have?
Mommy,
The phone they mash up long time
mommy,
ago.
I have a long time picture, mommy. Come see your post long time
Look
picture,
here.
mommy. I have Google picture
Come
for
off
your
of the-
phone.
Come off of the past. That is the past. Focus on the future right now.
And you know what funny too? You kill him with Papa. If you kill my father,
Me born and dead alive. But I
when he
never yet
alive, you
meet
did
him.
see him?
No, never yet meet him, but he did alive.
Oh yeah, talk about me kill me father.
You hear me
Alright,
say?
then.
Stop the cussing.
Mommy,
Right now,
talk
me
about
think
me.
it's time for me to look at work too.
What you mean
I
by?
want to get bigger.
Mommy,
My mother, you walk around with fun every day like you're the angel.
in other piece, I
Every
want
day you have your something hook up on your and nothing not in a hit. Me don't know if I have idea what you carry on
So,
or
well,
something.
you know what
when you're not
advice
gone
you
to your
do good
friend,
things
mommy,
then.
listen no. When you're not gone to your friend, you're gone to auntie.
When you're not
You
gonna
not feel like
answer,
you
you're
have
fine.
walk.
Then
And
you know
find
want
some.
good advice for me then.
Yeah, we want
But
good
that's what I'm trying
advice
to say.
for you, but
But
you
you
need
have
to
to
find
go
something
look work.
constructive.
You want work too, you know?
No
Because
problem. If me go look work, it one go look work. If you go look work, me have to go look work. See how
yes, Because
if me
one bird can fly for one wing, you know.
And bird of a feather flap together, mommy. And the bird
bird
can't
want to
fly
eye,
without yeah. So
and he want
you
to
be
bat
the wing
wall
or you be the body.
pieces. And he want to eye them to say, we him be body, maybe
me
body,
work,
how you be head.
work. I can't know, so me have to
So
take
who
care
gonna
of
be wing?
you know, all kind of way. And
It
thing
come
me
In
back.
my body, you know,
care
in my
of.
body for we. So we would have be the wing. Cause she had the body.
If you burn a pass through your faces and waist, then
And
you
just
gonna
come out
die.
for the past. The past is the past.
Mommy,
And
we
I
gonna
better
come
me I look for it one. You know me love you already, right?
We love that too.
And anything me I do, I feel one.
But so you're walking up and down with the fan and what I do right now.
Mommy, give me some of your
I work
panties.
me I look. Work. Breeze a blow in the hat.
Me heart, you know, see what I mean?
Never tell you just look like that. You a scammer?
Yeah. No, me not scammer, me a bleacher.
Come on, we have to look here. I'm going 1,000. She feet one because buy something to eat.
Right, me think about
Me a go.
$1,000 each.
For this alone me have.
Understand.
So manage it till me get one next money.
Yeah.
She and sister.
How long that?
Next 2-3 hour time. And we get something more. So manage that.
So, mommy, where we are go?
I'm gonna look something.
So we can't come with you?
No, go out there. Yeah.
How many you check?
No.
Oh, God.
Your pocket?
No, girl, me not on a pocket. You have pocket. Put in your pocket.
My pocket slide.
Mommy, I always say something. And he never want to talk about with father.
Me say, every time I reach for the money in this, me say.
And I feel like a people money in do it for.
I'm not talk about that. I'm not really feel. But if for people, man, we mean, but we're not supposed to can know the man.
We supposed to
The
can know
funniest
with
thing
father,
is me I tell you, how somebody fit die and they do a no grave or headstone.
That's the thing. Because if you there now one, if you there now made a rest or dog cut, you can say.
Well on. Give me back the $1,000 and share this with your sister.
Ah, you're
Give me
so
$1,000.
lovely.
But mommy a rich man.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Go on now, yard.
Yeah, we soon go now.
So go up the hat.
So girl, as me I say, if in there either if in bury either made a rest or dog cut, one out of the two cemetery, you supposed to can tell when if the father name me headstone supposed to be there, but we can go look
I mean,
on
they
the
tell me, and he
headstone
said
and
they
find the
about
father
2 to
grave.
3 years before I have picnic him. I make tell me say you never church one day get photo.
And that me I say. I don't believe that still.
So I go. If she say him sleeping in the eternal place, then he's sleeping.
He's sleeping in eternal
Pray for
peace.
Paul.
Oh God.
Me glad me see you, but I can't do nothing for me.
Like what?
We just have $3,000. Me give me daughter them $2,000 what I say me I call link you down so one day we can give me a money, man.
You're the only person, right? No one say me I run shop. But not now go on shop because every day my baby mother see me, your sister, you know. See me come out of here, she thinks me I work for people. But me not work for people, they should know that. But me can't make sure know say me I run shop.
Yeah, that me coming from. You can't give me a money that me coming from.
No money no make man. Like no I girl check off in the center. It look like a girl like give her the money, you know. And I give her the goods, you know.
Every day you know make money. And we are do it for your money, so.
And don't tell me say me I drink out the money.
See it there? You are drink it out.
If you look a cup now and shake a shop.
Come on, you must can do something for me.
Look how much back come pile up there, so.
You must can do something for me, man. Come on, man.
Listen, man. You have a wonderful, nice sister. Just go there and say, sis, we have kidney problem. Me sure you know you find the money give.
Who have kidney problem?
No, you have to use that as an excuse.
No, my sister will give me either either. I don't have to tell no lie.
But when you want more money, that you have to do.
So you say you don't have no money for give me now?
Huh?
You don't have no money for give me now?
I mean, I have no money for you now. No, I'm not really happy to know.
Okay. You don't want me to go to court then?
Let me ask you a question. Look for me good. How you okay I'm go to court with my own money to take you out of my pocket? That judge they must have some cocaine.
Stop going like you don't know what me talk about. You know me talk about and me know what me talk about.
No bother with that. Forget that and make that go on the road. This is the future. Why you dey put the past?
I'm sorry for you.
Focus, man.
I'm sorry for you when
And that's why you can't alone.
Anyways, me I go link my sister, but it's alright. Don't give me money. Your we see one next coming. Don't give me.
You see, at that time, man, there we don't you know. Because all you do, I heat up food and put on weight and look more from the market, man, then can't lift it up. But if you go exercise, treadmill make. Go and go exercise for treadmill.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to broke on the papa.
From the you know, you're hungry too. Mommy, I do.
Morning.
Yep.
We just sit down here so you can't rake up here. Look where you are dirty.
As you come, so.
We want to sit down and do. Get up and rake up here. That's all nasty, man.
I want my name for you. Me have to name something for you.
Where my sister there?
She's not there.
No mean she not here.
She gone.
No get up and clean up here. Look on the bag of rubbish there.
Tell me I thought, do it for yourself.
Me no live over here.
She trouble there and she rate it.
You know a child and if you get up and clean up on the yard a morning time. That's all you go for sit down outside. Sis!
She not there.
How would that answer? You learn to tell lie now. Come here.
Mommy.
You make it. You have to pick them out here. Sit down. They can't hurry up the yard.
Yeah, so if you the yard already.
And then I started.
I don't do with you. You live here?
What?
What was this?
Me good, yeah.
Right?
Come on, you give time.
I'm going to come back and mommy.
So what that have to do with you?
Money come back.
So what that have to do with you now?
And you never know, it might be something different, Cash.
Watch
right.
and see.
See? That's something different.
She right. You can me not go borrow it, you know, come in no money.
You know, have man.
You can give more money.
You know, man. You look like you know.
T, you never have money yet. I'm gonna see you look
Mommy, go on in
something.
back. You're going to stress out
the money
yourself.
you have.
You know, so me not really in a relationship like that, sis. And anything more, me supposed to can come to you as an older sister. You're older than me, now you're supposed to take care of me.
Take care of you, me do that.
Me not mean like fully, but if me short or not, me supposed to can beg you, sis. Me not need to beg you either.
Once in a while, sis, but that's why me grow the girls have to be independent. Me no want to have to say, nah, don't be like your auntie.
While I go, me just have children, and me just have to give me daughter them 2,000 out, right? And me know say by little after this, they more want something for you. That's why I come to you.
So when man will breed it, I'm making a give you money.
The man will breed me dead.
Well, you know,
Long time ago.
Oh, wow. What a shit.
Right.
That's
so,
just a family clan of
true, me know say he's a good mother, you know.
Well, I just try to make you for me. Me just tell them so them if you go look work, you know.
What about you, sis?
Me I go look work too. And anything me I do for me daughter them.
Me know.
You know that.
Me know. We already push out for them. So how much so you want this time?
Just anything you can offer. We really appreciate it. Anything.
We can transfer $500 to your account.
500 like US $500?
Where me I go get that from?
But you
500 Jamaican.
come back and come out by US 700 Jamaica with their Jamaican. They're always spending on that USD. You know, man, as a bride. They give me money to put on.
Alright, so your auntie same way.
You really gonna send $500 in my account?
Me not have the cash for me. You know everything with business, everything is
Even if you
online.
want 3 grand, sis, come on, man. You know you can't do this.
If me not have 500 cash for me, how me I gonna have 3 grand for me? Everything we have is on me.
I not really for myself more, I go get something to eat.
That's why me I go do it.
And the 500 can't help because they love them good. You see them little and maga like for you to them,
And you make
they
a
can
go
eat.
there long.
They can eat. Me not gonna make girl picking them go to a way, yeah? Me I try my best.
So if you go work.
Me I go look for no what you say.
Where your auntie say she and them I go look work, so I must say so.
That not have nothing to do with
Mommy,
you.
hurry up and give me money. Mommy, now you say I say me go a shop.
Yeah, go on. Because
Yes,
you're
I got
too
shop
enough
all you.
sometimes.
Me have enough. Mommy, I see one yam out.
I'm my sister. I mean, I want to
And
eat
we
for
need
her.
to borrow.
When me start work, I'll get back every dime. No war. You hear?
That's
Don't
not
worry
coming in
yourself.
the
Just
back.
believe in me. Things are gonna work out, sis.
Sometimes you have to help people when them down.
No, sir.
Alright.
Not all the
Sis,
time.
so you grow them?
I
think you need to take
you know, so you and your auntie can grow.
I feel like you as my mother need to take your heart out here just and put in the one in the car.
No, man. I really say you grow them, sis?
Go on.
Mommy, me I got shop go do.
You think my daughter then could have talked to you so? Anyhow? No, never.
Woman and I come beg you.
Alright, done it now. You still your auntie, no matter what. The phone is stressed already, so she expects you at the shop, so she bag up everything. So all you have to do is go down and collect it. She knows if you put it on the bill.
Mommy. Alright. No more something. Alright.
They will talk to them.
So, where you say you have
Alright.
any money? Let me know if I want you. You know me daughter them eat already and right now me don't even want to go try away. I'm trying my best with them.
Team.
Me don't want them to power with that man and look them because they're hungry man I go abuse them and all kind of stuff. I don't want that.
We don't want that neither for them, but I'm a good girls. Team, I got loan you the money, you know. I'm going to sell loan this time. Because, and it's only because you say you actually got to look at work. I mean, never hear you say that before.
For real, man.
But, all right, give me an hour. I'm going to do what I need to do and transfer and send one. I'll send it to you.
Okay, no problem. All right, thanks, here.
All right,
Yeah.
love you.
Yeah, love you too, sis.
Oh God. You put me school in a girl.
Morning.
Morning.
Alright.
Yeah, we are alright.
Sit down on the road. I want to sit down with the side. I want to sit down.
With the summer here? With the summer here?
Oh, yes, I'm sure it's not Billy Bamboo tree.
You did want to shit in your battle to build bamboo.
Oh, you know, it's not
That's
just shit
not
in
your
my
business.
Girl, me not talk to you.
Yeah, talk to
you
you,
get
yeah,
out.
right, sister.
String bean, I'm not talking to you.
But you are string bean yourself.
We don't hop off far. What you mean?
We are
by?
frog.
No, me
Yes,
can't fall far.
two look about frog. Be of
We
yourself.
hop off or hop on.
Look
You
here,
know.
anyhow.
What is your
It's not
problem?
business. You can't up on me. I don't got
What your problem?
What is it on? Yes, I know. And you couldn't walk past a man.
No.
And yet you two sit up and cuss about nastiness. Look here, anyhow we're nasty, that's why I go, but at least we're not nasty like you. Cause my mother said no nasty, and that
That's what your mother said.
And the way my mother said, look here, take time to talk, man. You man, your mouth, you know, I stink. Take time to when you talk.
Your mother close to you, you know, and you
Don't blow. Moody, take time. Like
listen to me now, listen to me. Kindly listen to me good.
Stay.
My bus stop is on green, you know. Yes.
You're damn right.
My stoplight is on red.
Don't go be if you're green. You're bright. Move for yourself.
Girl, wait. If my mother come over here and I tell on nasty, on really nasty for true. Come in and see what you said to the come out here so argue with me. We know the definition of nasty. Mama, girl, shut up.
You put her 6 to the clothes and then take up and put it and put her back here.
Girl, I know you wash them.
My mom got frog too. You feel bad?
Come on, listen what's there in her.
Use your tongue and clean here. That's what you call the coins.
Girl, go get braces and fix it teeth them in your head because them
man.
Bumba, praise Jesus.
Me glad to be out there and all glad to be just cousin.
Anyhow, me I had this sibling me don't commit suicide.
I'm sorry to girl.
Oh God.
At least I want to take them both like this one. No, me fire alone. No, me fire alone. You don't get scared up. Bye-bye.
Fix your teeth, I come like a grape.
Why not fix your flat on them roads?
Road.
Take your and start your life. Take your and start your life. Kiss me out. No, man. I am out here, but you want to go. I am trying to go. I be a man out to that. Brush no teeth. And that means that
I tell them no, you go here. Then go back go tell them mother lie. And then mother come back and mother is a professional liar.
oh God.
Oh, yeah,
Just tired.
You look good?
Yeah, we good.
Oh, good to see you now. Me blessed man. Me see you no mother and me see you in the same day.
Oh,
Something going to happen. So what I do out here?
just sit down and cool out, cause you know out here so much cooler. Yeah.
How to?
So yes,
You're
you do that.
long something, the more you call
No, we
that.
can't style him like that.
I know style.
Yeah.
True. Then style with it.
Hush and moody.
What about them?
Auntie, I pity you no know say. I to certify who you have over there is auntie.
What you talk about, D?
Exactly what she said.
To show you say a seal, see? And me tick duck in a two.
To get the stick, what you chat about?
Your daughter them we have over there, Moody and Tash. Tash not somebody know. But I certify who are and quiet. Moody she know. Moody she full of man.
Let me tell her.
And he dash your belly.
Dash your what?
You know, dash your belly who much time. And that's why I can't walk past the cemetery down there so can baby don't pay for the back time. And right now I'm pregnant and you don't know the baby father auntie.
Take a stop now. They say look on her belly. Look, if you lift up her shirt, you'll see her belly shrivel up. That's a sign saying it's pregnant and the baby gone. Because you know, go back down. And if you look on it right now, you're going to say ear pan and your black. Just take a stop. Me I wonder how that miss you, you know. And me I said then something that I normally miss you. But you have to say
no pass you.
My Moody.
Yeah, you're Moody.
You're Moody. You balaka yards. Right now you know amount of something boom off done this one.
Auntie?
You know amount of something him DJ pan. Yeah.
Hey, and Tasha biggest throat goat auntie. Jesus Christ.
Throat goat, what that?
Yeah. Him a goat with the mouth.
My
say DJ with her mouth, you know.
My DJ with the mouth, auntie.
That mouth.
Hold on.
I'm
not sure about this.
Auntie, me sure. I swear upon me daddy life.
Me I wonder how.
I swear upon me daddy life. Hello, in a Hanun.
Acho, something. Akayana, me don't know if you're not walk it's straight. Because they're afraid of you. But they not talk or something.
Auntie,
my daughter,
you know, she say he just try more change. You know, she say more get longer because he too much in him out.
Tell Tash to smile and you see how far him out.
Stretch out. Jesus
Christ. It's like a whole mood, they belly stretch out. That's
what Tash more done.
Me and them are cousin, but why
look, well, them pass us an auntie and then did a cuss with an auntie.
Yes.
Cussy for.
So how we nasty with the pan roadside, how we mother come over the hotel and say they nasty because they not wake you down with the pan roadside. Auntie, me did have to tell Moody something in teeth, buff like the buff teeth donkey and Tash teeth chaka like the crocodile.
On our cousin, you know.
Auntie.
But
me
have to check this out, you know, because
check it out.
That can't go on under my watch under my yard.
Hey, auntie.
Imagine on the stairs, auntie on the sunny stair.
Everybody in the street afraid of you, so you know, say certain things you're not gonna work at them afraid to chat.
Well, here what? One or two things gonna happen, you know. Anyhow, what on the say true? I one cousin. No, on no cousin. And anyhow, what on say are false and a F phrase. No, say there's penalties. Yeah? On my knees.
Auntie, where you try push? Where you try push, auntie?
Me
I tell you a thing, I like you say, you don't believe me. You don't believe me.
You know. Hi, why would I talk over me, so?
No, mama, we are telling something. You couldn't like us, we are telling. We look like we are liars.
Little girl, let me tell you something.
Auntie, me not little girl, me a big woman.
Let me tell you something. If you did listen, you hear me say, one or two ways it go. If me find out, say, what wanna say are true, which makes 2 and 2 I kind of make 4. But if me find out say true, on then I no cousin.
Always remember.
We don't want them there as cousin because them mama caught themselves from a tender age, so we don't want them there as cousin.
But you see, if I'm not true, then is the other consequence.
Which other consequence?
Use on the mind, on a big woman.
Next time I'm going in, auntie.
The other consequence on the mind is your
Kayena full black like that.
Hold on.
Then auntie.
Well, I may have to go when you say.
No, I never said that.
Okay.
Then auntie, so why you have to dress like we? Why you have to full black like we?
You're colorblind. You're colorblind.
Auntie, no black this, no black this, no
I'm
black
a pink
this, no
this.
black
I'm
this.
a pink this.
Auntie, no
If you
black
go back
this.
kind of
No black
kindergarten. You know
Yeah,
where I
pink
see a
and black
pink
me
on
inna.
the out. Then keep on think before you talk.
Auntie, go on. Kaya na
Think before you talk.
Yeah, go
Here.
Yeah.
And me a big woman. You don't give me permission and tell me when me can go and when me for come. But thank you no for make me know.
You will come. Least I can do is buy me piece of chicken. Yeah, buy with piece of chicken.
You know, say you can come around anytime for
No,
dinner.
we don't want food over there, sir. We want chicken. You know how to look up food for you like. I know look up money.
You know, so me don't work with cash. My business is online. So everything for me is online.
No, auntie. You know that one?
Not Pam, me no.
Whatever young stay, if nothing to do, you can't even call for her.
Me know how to signal.
Sister girl.
Before mobile phones, there was ways to signal. Here, and me know them. Everybody real life and technology. You have to use your brain. Me gone later.
Nobody clowning. Nobody know. Oh God. Nobody. Nobody Jordan cooking. So move first.
Oh, God.
Oh God. Get a donkey when you come. No, we glad I know you we found out. No, what listen, growfish. No, we auntie did go breed cream for it. Girl, I eat that. My man no be drink and drunk, so girl.
I'm in a chat.
Then I could have who?
And me don't really still a chat.
Of course.
No man, they look like a chat down family. You know like that. You know, man, they picture you from no one there.
And me, the two dirty.
Yes, I knew we a chat.
Think man.
No man.
The business go and think around and spend me
Hey
money.
man, you go up to my sister face, you know. Your
Farid.
face back.
Farid. Farid.
Teeth. No front teeth.
Talk
Yes,
to
back.
her. Talk to her. Come on with
It's a
pump
talk,
her in her face.
Hi sister.
It's one big old
Are
skater.
you okay who are in that and them are the skater? Hey, don't make me stop you know, don't make my mouth
Hello.
look at you not go like it.
My daughter
No,
has a...
man.
Me don't know what Anthony Fred for you breed for you, cause you know.
Even by
See you tell you.
Oh, you're not here for your picnic them?
You know, you
My two daughters them are...
your two picnic them is a certified worry.
You not got hear from us.
Yeah.
Learn that out in the streets.
You come and
Right,
knock out with skittle. You know why your two picnic them out in the streets and do?
After two picnic them, what type of certification then get recognition?
A skater alone, sit down here for every day.
Who said that?
Like, when I look at man,
Look here.
How we are going to
Broad face man, let me tell you this. Do we mother left we have with money, we're not short for nothing. If we're hungry, we go buy something, we're not have to beg. You realize we never beg you? Eh? We did beg you?
and as they like you gone
As
our
they
bar.
like you're too long foot picking in them gone forward. What they gonna do?
Gone
You
hold,
don't
man.
know, we don't know, nobody knows. So go take, look here, go take your junk yourself and go look for your two picking in them where I walk up and up a road like, and them are the real skatel. So what?
you I say,
You
my sitting and careless and donkey,
my picnic
and your mama,
and your mama.
beg me and my woman money.
When she be gonna
You could have passed, right? Beg you for
When you
from my mother
The
beg you no money.
mama come
you have money for lend
Nobody
nobody.
say you have money to lend my mother. You have
You
money
got
to
money
give
for
my mother.
lend nobody? No, you don't.
Again, sister.
You don't got no money. Tap your nice.
How
You don't got.
for pound mama?
What you say?
How for pound mama?
You don't say? I have we don't. No.
What subject yeah?
None.
You're bright, that girl. How 30 subject we get? 30 subject.
That one.
Which part 30 subject there? The last time me check a 15.
30 subject we do much less. Oh, you reach a 30, sir? You damn down.
Because
But look.
And the limited amount you can do is 7 or 8. Which part you get 30
You
subject?
can do more, but you can do more. But remember, say Jamaica don't have 30
Jamaica don't have
subjects
30
to study.
subject.
yes,
Say, I must be 4 next
Name them.
English coming at 3 different subjects. English A, English B, English C.
You don't got that. You only have English A, English B. English language, English literature.
Sister, stop
Good.
argue with him.
Okay.
2 subjects.
So
Yeah.
So where did number 3
Mathematics.
come from?
How much subject in mathematics?
One.
You only have one mathematics. The other
No,
thing you
no, I
have
have
is
one.
city and girls. Stop the nice. And city and
That
girls
are
are not
two.
really subject. That is nothing. Cause you can't get nowhere with city and girls. Where you can get with city and girls?
Flight.
Flight where?
A flight attendant.
Where?
Anywhere in the world.
Where? Which somebody have go on and your flight attendant what you be able to calculate a falling off the plane if you plane nobody. Mo first. Come with a down self, man.
Where you come from?
You just embarrass you all away, so you make you all away look down snow.
Oh, you can calculate the falling.
Them from the two of them look so.
Oh God! Catch you two of them.
God.
The time me there argue with some little pissy tail girl.
The time me there,
The time me there, so you go fix the teeth. Go down at the dentist down there, so go fix the teeth. There, so argue.
Nobody look for no upper two against one. And right now, nobody know they have to see about jumping in your tumor. Make love, vomit out all around them.
You can't tell her sister to come in.
Eh?
Smell me.
Me can smell the bleach inspire you.
Yeah, I can't smell your mouth.
That's the best you got. That's the best you got. That's the best you got. Look here, got to off your bikini sweater. You don't see from belly skin for you. Go first, man. Boy.
Grudge you no grudge me.
Grudge you for what?
Cause me summer body ready.
What's summer body?
Which part?
Yeah, fish. You can't
Which
take no
part?
time.
Which
You
part?
this. And this.
Come now. Come now. Come now. Come now. Come now. Go put it down. I tell you, if I want somebody to discipline, leave us alone. I got discipline.
I got discipline to that them.
And what? We don't need no discipline. And you come fast food way. And that you pick me them just do to them.
Alright. No matter check me, you know.
Who check me?
You pick me
I
and
go
your
and
baby
make
mother is no
Alright.
different. Treat no 5
I go and make my baby mother lock off all the wealth for the mother. So no get
Which
nothing.
one?
Never get.
Which way?
You idiot.
Which way?
I'm my woman that said that money. I'm my woman money I spend for him. If I don't my woman money,
Hey,
I
we
don't
know we
want.
not a papa. We mother take care of it. Push man, your woman a die. She tell her matter to figure my mother. You never have any feed her two picnic.
You know
You
Epa?
never have it. Me not have none.
You know
Indeed.
Epa?
No, indeed.
There's a jacket.
I got jacket.
Jacket.
Come here.
Cause none of
I
them fear you.
That is a jacket.
Yes. Jacket, sister. Jacket.
Look when you pick them look like you. No.
You don't see how much they have.
They don't get nothing for you. No half of you, they don't get. They very longness. Then get your mother color, your mother ears, your mother everything. They don't get nothing for you. Where you get?
But sister, you're going up in our face and you're
Me
jacket.
not afraid of him. No, he can't do me nothing. Yeah, idiot. What am I do with that? How a drunk man now swing? By the time him fling him dizzy, you know. I want kick that on you reach the ground. Go on, go look for your winter coat. Them jacket now we are again. Go look for your winter coat. Boy, go look for your jacket. Road. Of people that want to go fast with come here. You know, always I make you
It's the one.
Copy nice, you know. Copy nice.
Yes,
Low
yeah.
off of my sister. Go find your hand and look for your two winter coat.
Yeah, go on.
Go
One.
not touch him.
Yeah,
And just think around.
You ever watch Martha come back?
ETB of yourself and go
Or the real barracuda that?
You have a salamander. Don't worry.
And we are called barracuda. Sister, yeah, rub off my lip gloss off of my lip. Rub off my lip. Them look giant puppy like him.
Look on note. Eh?
You want?
No, sir. What daddy that day? Daddy not have drink, you know. Cha. Wallet, Delroy. Wallet.
Hold it your backside. Hold what?
Let's just fun.
Hello.
Yes,
You know,
one.
come back to me. You know my shit. Come back to me. Right at you.
What am I talking?
Alright. Check your
Ancestors, them.
drag your backside. Come here.
You ask me how much finger this?
Me chat to you. No.
Finger this.
Never you ask a big man
Yeah,
go
must
how
be
much
no
finger
talking,
this.
man. Daddy, where you say now?
Oh me yes sir. To no. It's community mattress. And I walk around the community at your front.
Anybody tell you that them are community mattress, the community house, the community bed, them are everything.
So
Yes.
on cousin I tell I.
And them content, sir?
Me just pass it to them down there, so. And then say me
You
daughter
don't touch her.
touch you. Hey, holy little black quality. I give some, whoosh, I give some box. I put her in her place. Inside the brown one, I give the bamboo, yeah. I put the bamboo on him, so slap. But the point of the fact, right, is all me never knows me I raise 2 bungalows kettle and I make no money. Hmm?
And if you do skettle for mine, yeah?
Yes!
You go take your money by rum?
Yes!
How you know no man?
When I go top. Oh, when I go top.
Top what?
When I go top drink.
Till the day I die.
Till the day.
Or till the day you wanna find a man and leave the little old place I may have. Uno worse than chichino. Uno worse than termite. Uno worse than duckants.
You're not shame. You're not shame for the car with duckants and this.
Ah, hey, a duckant alone stay. Once they make their nest, they never move until they generate them family.
Duck them down there's a car with community mattress. Wait, me soon come.
Hello, that's chat to you. You don't move.
Wait, Daddy, we are good at that stuff.
If you move,
Stand up.
I give you
You
two.
see it here, Japan, me, I catch you. Me should have catch you.
Don't touch me.
In drop, predator ground.
Hey, ever the pedal.
Stop!
You're not Japan now.
My money. I'm not ready yet. You know. I don't move my more, you know. My money, when we put underneath the pillar, me cut one little hole and me push in it with the bungalow sponge. That's what I don't really.
Who is what I don't know? I make a happy way.
Really?
How will me take you out? How will me give you money this morning?
Your mommy can't know me. I got the money there. Come slip and look who and talking money to
Maybe
you.
you wouldn't know what we are doing
That me I
here.
say.
Can I push?
Which
If we are
foot?
puss, you are
I'm
a
not gonna
dog.
put me have a 2 foot. 2 foot, not
If
4.
we are puss, you are a dog.
The dog you call them mama. Hey, you call me dog.
You know business.
Oh,
Dog
okay.
and dog have puss.
Oh, okay. So you know business if you want to call them mama dog.
Your business when you call me puss.
Then you know.
You're not even say you are the puss and we are the kitten. You call me puss.
Then you
Puss thief, you know. Me no puss.
Then I will not do.
Whoever thief right.
You ever catch 2 cats having sex?
Yes.
Where?
Out a door.
Out the door where?
In front of the house.
All in the bush here.
Well, me hear and me see. It talk a bit too much, you know.
And that me I just say, go down here, so. Cause if then.
Me say you breed.
Yes. For them pa.
And your belly look obvious.
Yes, I'm breeding with twin.
Or if you breed to them pa dead already.
And then what kind of question?
Well, me don't know if it's true or false, but we shall find out if his father living or not. Cause family cannot grow me here, say. I want a breeder. I don't breeder and not even.
I realize you are the smartest one, right?
Tiana.
I realize you is the smartest one.
Because family cannot grow me here, say a man dead. I don't breeder.
Hello, whether duppy in, duppy out, or scummy, or skettle, or bebe, or tete.
Alright,
Anyone breeder. The question is, who your sister breed for?
Don't worry about that. Come on.
If me a breeder, that's a video.
A lot.
You're not proud for being a grandfather.
Me are gonna make a video. Me are gonna get your first grandpin. If me a breed, who tell us me a breed?
Hello.
Me then 17, 16, or 15. You know?
Hello. You didn't know how your pampers change?
That's your responsibility. And your job and duty that.
Hello.
And you make me there.
You have a roof over your head?
Of course.
Where?
Over your yard.
No, should I shame?
Right.
I'm in a shame.
Listen to me. You see, by the time I get to catch me, I'm on land, on house, I have everything I need. I don't, and they're
You're working now?
Not nothing to do with you.
How you go
If you have
on
$1 million, you will never know because I'm not going to tell you.
Daddy chat too much. Come on.
No wonder why your teeth are chaka chaka.
Chaka chaka like you wanna teeth.
Who are that? You're...
So, sister. And yes, such girl I breed and don't know baby father. We can't call no name. Then she bush a ear, so we can't really find no name. We go whatever later on. Such girl I breed and don't know baby father. And that's how much it did. Let me tell you this. You say, want to see a tech.
We in a car community mattress. Oh, yeah, call community mattress.
My turn. What
Bed bottom.
No, stop. Touch me again.
Yeah. You blind?
Me not ask you no. Lock your face.
My face can't lock.
Delete yourself then.
We can't delete.
Me lock you.
Yeah, let me tell you this.
Hey, man, what you do?
But I'm not keep on it. Let's knock them together. What do I do?
Let me go.
Well, let me tell you this. Next time, look to me. On the lower for me. Because that's true, and that's why I hate it so much.
Come here.
Girl.
Let me go. Where me now let you go?
Where?
Tell him fist.
Come, you look at Margaret self. Tell yourself go to the
Let's tell you this. Look here. I told that that's why I hurt you so much. Because you're feeling it to come and control me. Yeah, proof. I didn't say hello. I never said nothing about it. But you know, say you're drunk. And he will come up now and tell you lie.
Excuse me.
And they want to push me.
Me say no me daughter no come here so war.
Yeah.
You know see me turn up yourself as a big aunt. You know me daughter no come here so war.
Yes.
Where two no fight for?
We don't have one start out. Until you have one start out. We don't have one start out.
You forgot to me auntie? You forgot to me auntie me carrying off your
Don't pretend on my face.
You forgot?
Don't pretend on my face.
Mommy, let me tell
What this
you.
all
Let me tell you
about?
what happened.
Here for you tear out.
What this all about?
She can't call my sister committee mattress but she have read.
I never said all of that, you know, because let me tell you, I was here and their father passed and he drunk and he there not chat to you so me him a call way, you know, like somewhere that I was a galang and you're picking it them tan so them come and go juke off my head. And so I never seen none of them, you know. I never seen nobody else, you know, a girl just come lick up my head back.
No, mommy, see one, mommy.
Two first cousin them. One tell me tell you fit. When I go before I go in the yard.
Wait,
Take up them. How much time me tell say now the cousin of you fight?
and them come and them position and look, you know.
I saw me grow
No, but
take up the phone and go in the yard.
Then I'm because remember say you don't feel the pressure for buy back one you want it.
Run. What? Run. I have to go link my sister, you know, because they two pick the way she a grow, then I have no manners. I got beat the phone, watch me out.
She not have manners. Right. Come a little out of whip.
Last time I run off. Right hand face down out all. Still out no backside. Last time I run off. I'm saying when grab me head, you know, and I say me grab back a girl here. And that's time I get you look Maga one to beat him. Beat him?
I don't beat nobody. I just want to say me.
For me that me too. Right hand face. You ain't gonna compete with them. I'll call it. I'm never put it on par with yet.
Run no mother day. Well, run no mother day. You see, no, wait till no mother come.
She know you're blind.
Wait till no mother come. You feel like some on our size. Don't.
No, we can never be says you're too fat, but too slim. Never be.
You see you? You not have no manners, you know, you.
Lady,
Look here.
you leave me?
Let it go.
No, me not let it go in.
Let it go, cause me talk to them all of that, you know. Let it go, now no manners. Wait till your mother come. No manners. But not the road I want.
Don't let me stress. I hear the shouting.
If you know what me see on the road, with them and me two daughter them on the road a fight, me spank it for them and they come over here and chase me off. Yes.
You don't spank me, sorry.
Me spank the four of them and me come over here look for you and them are feisty with me.
Feisty with who?
Yes, me. So me spank her again.
So hold on, me hear you. What happened?
Our daughter, them I tell them about we are community mattress and we are this and we are that. So we go back down to them.
I'm gonna put a hand on each other out the street.
Me beat the four of them, me slap the four of them. The four of them get slapped.
No, me not busy, so me not care. I don't care. Me not
Since me can't believe you, so you raise them.
Let me tell you something. You diss my sister too?
Yeah?
You deaf?
No?
All type of attitude. Mommy is not here. I said them are gone.
So let me tell you something here and now. You see this lady? This lady my sister. Here? And pay attention to me, I chat to you.
Come here, listen to you.
Pay attention, let me
And then
see you.
that it's 9 years.
This woman is my sister, my little sister. She there on earth before the two of them. Me and she got through thick and
Well, she's
thin.
soon gone. She's gone after Earth. But no company to live.
Yeah, yeah.
I threaten you, I threaten you, my sister.
No, me not. I just thought me a talk.
Me notice from where there's certain attitude are going, you know. I mean for chat.
Because I don't like her. My spirit don't match her. Some don't like her. Me can't like.
I mean, I chat too.
Good.
You think I have size? Me I no size. We are no size. Yeah.
Sit down and listen to your mother. Sit down back. You can't lick up, man. You can't lick up, man, for.
So we give birth to our daughter, man.
Where she a call it? Me finger I'm gonna lick in chow, in pitney them.
You lick yours?
Maybe the four of them, me say.
Good.
The four of them get lick.
Let me tell you something. From
Put me every time I lick up me
yes,
money,
you lucky sign on me. You lucky sign on me because me had lick you harder. Don't rank with my sister.
We can't
I don't know fight.
You see all them the blouse the way she a wear with the breast me put them turn up. I say you grow them.
I like them.
Who ya go and like so too?
Yeah,
fish.
Sit down there and listen to your mother. You're not going.
Me not sit down. Me don't like you.
As a matter of fact, come out to my site. Because me gonna raise something to you.
You me talk.
Why you move so slow, yeah?
Tired. Me talk on that back.
You is the next one. Me raise the two and for fight family out the streets. It not look good.
You never raise this up, but she raised your people never sit down and gossip about people.
People use them mouth to them mouth. If anything you use your mouth back or ignore them.
I when I go to me look up her, look up her, and say, oh, I don't want everybody to nobody coming.
So what? Everybody who chats you go fight? You idiots. You can't fight everybody that bad mind you and chat you.
I mean, this is about
you need to jar them up in a hand here. Jar them up in a hand. Me a good on a yard to film it tune right now too. Jar them up in a hand. If you have manners.
You come back in the site. You forget already. Listen to your sister. Come on to my site too. Please and thanks. Come if you have my hand and my foot about to live.
Come with me. Mommy.
My hand and my foot.
Come with me. You really believe her?
Me know, no, and you give me attitude in front of her. What's here? What is not this? What is not this?
Oh, God. Come here, baby. I want to call see if I go on here. Okay. Oh, Lord.
I think we did hear you.
I finally make it home.
Lord God.
Oh, God. Yes, a week. Oh, yes. You know, Lord, I make it home. I walk and stumble down. You know what I say? The girl, let me. Your two daughter, two them turn adult. Them feel like say, them free with anything them feel like they want to do.
But they don't know.
The power road I sell front. Yes, two of them. Good ears me is from. Good ears. I heard it from good ears. Selling front.
And the strange news, you know. Can me hear the same thing.
Especially that one. Yeah.
As a matter of fact, come here. Come here.
Yes, man. Now I'm grow them up good.
If they need to have a strong father figure, then we'd
I am strong.
I am strong and drunk.
I am strong. Many man, when they get pity, they run. I stand up. I am strong.
You couldn't run. We would have lopped off your foot, them all three of them. Me here say, you and your sister, as your father say, a community mattress and a sleep road. And what them I do what?
I believe that people have all manner of things.
Who not that she believe from who not me. Yes.
As a matter of fact, you can get it out in the ear.
Yes,
Moody.
Junkie. She can't sleep.
Now sleep because she's pregnant. I don't plan to go that she way. Yes, me hear everything.
Where you hear that from?
You know where they head? Who the ears come from?
I that me want say. No.
Me want know. I mean, here say you are walking cemetery.
You think of the way that me watch all this
So
on
you
the
really
TV?
believe that?
That's why me ask you know.
Guys, I mean, go to because of them. Cash, them up. I'm gonna have to say about junkie touch everything in here, you know.
Me hear it in my shell.
Anything you want to eat.
You ever
I'm going to buy 3 pregnancy tests and I'm going to take it and I'm going to go and show you what I'm mother.
You ever wonder why she belly big? You ever wonder why her belly big? Overnight.
You have her now. Oh.
Everybody have Erna. Appear that near here. Everybody have Herna. Herna. Wanna blame everything for Herna. Eh? Everything's Herna.
You blame everything for rum. Rum.
Let me tell you something. I still on a father.
Sorry, you never dash with the birth, man.
That you did. Anybody will tell us that I'm going to put me and go out so me can see them can walk to the cemetery.
And this, what is that disgrace? Come in the name. When I bring them in, that's what I'm telling you. I didn't want a boy pick me. When I bring them in the name.
If you didn't produce a boy pick me, you would have get a boy pick me. A girl you have in your back. 2 girl you produce.
You're back weak.
Hey, I want to put her. I remember saying you're still in trouble. Yeah? Nobody get too fresh and too enough.
Flash news.
Coming
out. Your mother weak. How when the man them strong, then get gal. You hear?
Yes, when the man them strong.
Mommy, that's what my night kitchen. Who no call me for? I say I start me quarter for come on watch.
Go on, you'll find it in the cupboard.
This is what you need to stop.
Mommy, you buy a new one? You buy cornflakes?
Yeah, cook cornflakes. Go on, man. You perplex my brain. But me will get to the end of this.
Daddy, I want something to eat.
You hear that little pipe of mouth?
Daddy, I want something to eat. No.
From who? From who?
Okay.
From who?
Alright. These are best not here now.
Where they want man them thing?
Well, which man thing?
And you want to come feed?
Well, which man thing?
You better go on. Hey, run the thing, you know?
Oh, thing.
Run the thing. Run the
Is that
thing.
true?
You turn there for Daddy.
Go on.
Me don't have no.
You believe I? Or you believe she?
Me will get to the bottom of it.
Anyway, I tell you, know, them big, them adult, you need to put them out. 1 and 19, 1 and 18, they got to go.
Papa.
Look here, oh, yes, look, you see a gray, me get gray, and a young, me get young, you know. Me, you can't do certain things like one time, then now they are big people, they go here. You need to send them wing. Listen, that's why it's a bird. When bird are grow them children, you know, then lift them up if they don't want to fly and dash them out of the nest. Teach them how to fly. And Uno, feels like Uno, that's why some of the girls they become workless. Because now hold them down and cow them down. Uno need to let them go free.
Papa. Also, some of the children turn worthless because them have motor massive pooper. Right? The ones, it's not every man who turn in them picnic life is a good man, you know. Some of them turn in them picnic life and a waste man. And make the mothers them have to work extra hard to mind them and the picnic them.
Them no, so it's supposed to go.
Which part?
Woman,
man's supposed to look after them woman. Eh? Only mama man sit down and go run bar before them mind them children and teach them children and then put everything on the woman. So up your mama man.
Why you think the national heroes them are on the money? Because they sit down and protect the island. That's how a life should. Look at Nanny catch a bullet, you know. And catch the bullet. So you can do the same thing for your husband. You stop the gap and feel the belly. You understand? Nanny did stop the bullet.
Stop the gap?
Yeah. I'll feel the belly.
Let me stop the gap.
Yeah, you stop.
Me stop the gap, Papa. What kind of gap me stop, so?
No.
What kind of gap me stop, so? Me a gap stopper?
No, it's the slip of the tongue. I told me junk. You have to understand the spirit not really connect with me when me junk and me chat foolish. Sometimes it's the foolish. But as I say, as a real husband and a real baby father when never give the eye bun, when never think of cheating on the eye, when always make sure me tell everybody out on the road, I am fully taken. Yes.
And you see the one who scream and shout the loudest that I never, and them for watch. Papa, me not chat, you know.
No, listen.
Me watch. And make me find out anything like that. You see how he little already? I'm still at work with him. By the time he done with you sit down for PP here. You sit down and beg for PP. So no way I do.
No matter with it. No matter
what you do.
No matter with it. You know.
About stuff a gap.
Listen. Remember, you know. You have to understand, say, you know. You vex because me tell us me last ring down the toilet. You should have just understand that I go there to use the toilet and I wash me and I'm just jump off tonight. You have to understand.
I'm more than ring you losing the toilet. Watch yourself. Me gone.
What do you mean by that?
Look into it, Mr. Drunk Man.
Bring me a cup of coffee.
I'm drunk and I'm full.
Bring me a cup of coffee.
Turn to the way.
You know, make nothing. Community matter. Make nothing give me coming on then. Oh God. What a strength. Oh, that God.
Yes, me love how una clean up. Thank you, no.
You rake one brand one fix.
Me know. I go get one in the week. By weekend, I go get one. I want to talk to you now. Cause you see the level of behavior going yesterday. Me no want to see it again. Here. Hi, wanna hear me?
Yes, we're listening.
Me say, what go on yesterday, me no want to see that they go on again, you know. Cause yesterday me talk. You see the next time, me not talk. I go work. Me I go beat and teach it name. I mean I want to do that to not big people. So me love that me get my girls back this morning and I do something and thing without even being asked. Me love that.
You love
What do you? Huh? No, put it where the lot never good. The inside, but we can get your father to take out the inside part and use it same way. Okay. Thank you. All right. Yeah, so new start today from now on, not true?
Yeah.
New start today, Moody.
Yes.
All right. I love
Come on, you ever sit down? Me want to sit down now.
Yes. What kind of breeze blow you here today?
Nice.
Monday. You alright?
Oh.
Of course, so
First door.
more going there, so. And then if you ask if them alright, we wake up with my two daughters. I clean up and I work together.
Clean, so.
No, don't do it. Which first? Don't do it. Don't do it.
I first
them get wet for the last few days because my head perplexed with customers.
Clean, so.
Then at first you look out to AI. Yes, it get wet the last few days. But then wake up and nobody said nothing to them. Yeah man, we're good.
So mommy,
what
you want to bake today?
What you want to do here?
Never sister here.
Whether you have a sister here, you must always call before you come here.
Oh, for you.
And a so life run. So for me and my woman in the yard naked.
You know say when a day my sister get everything. You know that.
Why you call on them for me, pa?
Yeah.
Classes, them man. Classes.
Are you good?
Are you got trouble, my sister first? She never said nothing to you and you come one at Pit Panar.
Every day this girl, we're going to look work. We're going to look work. See how every day with the fun.
So jealous are fun.
Jealous is a fun to only live here. I'll pick the fan them there.
Shut up your mouth.
Pick the fan them there if you have some big old fan to blow you
know say me have something to talk to you about him. Continue to talk.
What you have to say about him?
No, continue, don't touch me, don't friend me up. Continue to talk.
Listen,
Turkey.
me a G.
No, how you a move, sir?
Me a G.
How you a move, sir?
Yeah,
What you have to tell me, sis?
You know, say I
No, I don't like how you move, you know. I don't like how you move. How you move, stuff.
Auntie, I don't wrong you. Suspect them. Them a
Auntie.
move fishy. Or mommy. Yes, sorry. I think I didn't get that.
Yeah, not
What you have? What you have to tell me about him?
She have something to tell you. I just shush him friend up a while ago. And something she look. Yeah, next one. My brother is a thief.
Yes. Buck him up round that bar.
He never run at the bar.
You know,
silent now.
Bar.
Me buck him up, not see him shop, you know. Me buck him up,
What
go to
kind of
Miss John
shop?
bar, I drink rum with the
Lion!
now you give him.
You have a problem?
Lion! And my bar, you come to me. My shop.
Your shop?
I don't want you know to me a shop, but my shop in come
So you know say you shop.
So hold on. And what kind of friggeries are going on, sir?
And what kind of relationship you know where you sink?
Listen, when they married to her, the marriage say, half of my wealth I go to see, and everything she will know to me have.
But you just tell her so half right is going to be hers.
If she can't find the shop.
So what make you beat me up?
No more, just hit.
They say.
You realize?
Every minute you have
You
whisper.
realize this?
Certain things are going on, you know.
Mats up your bats, man.
Control.
That's what me I
You see
tell
them
you.
here? And them if you what?
How you call them
Let
yeah?
me tell you
Them a
something.
work
Let's see
like,
your reflection, yes,
them a work like our bridge. Them a work, all the things, bridge, you have to go a bridge remotely, stand up there. But them all over the place with it.
So how you know? How you want to know how bridge work?
Mas John, Marcus, Luke,
Nah, get what me I say.
Moses,
Watch it.
where that one name?
True, them a bore.
Nazareth.
Them a bore, that's why you know so much.
We don't talk.
We just say a while ago.
You're not listening to me, you know. You're not.
Me I listen and me I hear you, sis. But all me I tell everybody, say, belly and foot now come in here, you know, without a way for mine, you know. So more than one people that tell me say you breed.
Goodbye.
So me I said me I go in.
Well on,
The
Woody.
people if you kiss out me back to wall.
Why? Sis, we tell us if you joke, kids them in a hand, you know. I told you.
Well, all me know, sis.
Are you so Andy? Yeah, they check them out.
Well, let's keep on them out. Because if you did have little braveness, you'd have turned out here and chat. Since you go in, keep by your mouth.
Me not chase with kids, you know. I was like how no on my knees. Me not chase.
You know, so that's why I end up go to your daughter them, cause then coming into my pa, and you come back with your so now. You know, say you had the mix up and you had the whole corruption right there. So.
Oh God. Jump at that hand. Me go pan the road here. Jump in the hand before she put in one deep batty wall.
And you put her in the batty wall, cause you use them out too much.
You see that got there?
And you see your batty?
Alright.
Come here.
Moody. One, never walk off from me when we're talking to you. Don't do it.
Your sister irritate me now, man.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Anyway, right? Where she there? She gone. Oh.
Wait, see me here, man. Me not gone. Where you say? Me here come out and I accept me gone. Talk where you say, man.
Me never want to see you. That's why I want to talk to my daughter privately.
You want to talk to your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay. Disrespect me, you see.
Check me the washer.
What name is this? The big old chuck
Check me the
you.
washer.
So what is this with you have shop and me not know?
Baby, remember you know. You have to understand, me a man, right?
Two.
And wait,
Yes.
me a man.
Two.
Talk to me and talk to me about son.
Hold on, me
Me
your
say me
father
a
talk.
man.
Call me when
Two.
you're ready for me.
Me chatting if you are manners.
And me I talk to?
Me a man.
Two.
No, you can't say that.
You're a man too. You're deaf?
How can you flip it with?
Be the job. I don't miss it. I'm say.
Oh, who you the face?
Damn, I get too
I will
festive and
shut your
not
mouth. You know much many nights I'm on the road, thief and I'm begging just to buy feed to you. And you, I could talk about. You better talk to this, you know. Come on, we twist him.
Me notice them I get ring from where they.
You think that rank him
I mean I watch.
and take
Because
a
when me rise, me can't stop. That's why me
Much night me lose sleep because of you. Eh? You know much night your mama wake me up.
So let me go now,
Yeah. Eh?
You tell you let me go now?
Eh? So you're craving.
If you never rank, you wouldn't get that the
5
treatment.
back with you another 1 year old are done in a night. Do you know how me have your teeth? Poor your mother doesn't know much o'clock at night and me have your teeth, mafia. Close them off for what you sell.
Believe it, I got teeth.
And you, I can't diss me.
What me this here with?
Good girl, you better make sure you're not breathing as much as you're 19.
Yeah, then stretch out my clothes.
And me buy it. I pay me money buy it.
You go start shop for myself, you know.
Yes. When you start shop for yourself, you become independent and become a woman. But once you under your mama and put a roof, you're a child.
You soon say thief, you
You
Let me go.
What you say a while ago? If you open up your mouth again, don't speak again. Speak again. Speak again.
You ask me help me my mouth.
You see, I did tell you now. Me never want to ban on the care go do ultrasound and the girl. I don't feel it foreign I know what
Yeah, it's not your fault. You're discipline the girl, discipline her.
Let me tell you this. This one time that it's a roof, yeah? If me say no shit. Right now me I go start get strict on it. It's toilet. When you and your sister use your night time, do not flush it until 6 o'clock in the morning.
No, that's a foolishness. A nasty yard you want them living in.
Right.
A nasty yard you want them
Alright,
living.
get bucket.
Discipline her, discipline her, right.
No bucket there. When I work with your night time, start pissing night and shitting night.
How you chat to?
You see,
Me can't hold it in the light.
Only not help by water, you know. Only not help by water. You tell you the pan road, I sell the front. I mean, I see no investment.
You see, your man is without him, you know.
I see no investment.
Let me
Light
go.
bill 1 pay, water bill 1 pay, Wi-Fi bill 1 pay, and I'm here and your mama. Eh? Me and your mama one. Sometimes she don't put all her money. Sometimes a little bit.
She don't
Nobody do that. Nobody do that. If you are disciplined the child, discipline her and with it right.
Say
and stop
apologize.
tell lie.
Apologize.
Sorry.
You're sorry. Alright, here we are going to do now. I set up on the road, you and your sister. Right?
So let me go and talk now. You don't touch all my clothes.
All you buy. When you buy your own clothes, me don't have to touch it. You're good on Sister Joyce. And you tell Sister Joyce, say, me send you for the little package. And you see if you open that, your dad, what me say? Move! Call your sister and go on, show!
Dash!
Call her out. And go on. Go hard, man, I reckon I can this, man.
Next time, they're going to thief you.
You know.
No, stick up in. What package from Sister Joyce so that she can't open?
The pizza bun up.
No. What package so she can't open?
The peas.
The peas?
Later,
If you know what me know.
Bag your head.
If you know what me know.
Let's leave me.
You know what me know?
Let's show me.
Let me tell you something. You want nothing? Tonight or any other night, you see them kind of breed a secret you keep from me, like, and I keep me like say me a idiot, and I take my kindness for weakness. You see them breed a secret and package and secret passage and thing. No say. Let me find out anything. Let me find out everything. You see your ears, me ring that off. You see your nose, me chop that off. And the most important thing, me take tweezer. And me pull you out. And then me lab it off. You see me?
Please.
Me don't know woman for ramp with.
Please.
Me keep quiet and me hold my meds because me know some meds sick. So go on. Like how you shop and me don't know about it. Have anything out the road you know for have and make me know about it. And me tell you, me one you know me like for one first.
If me have anything out the road, what me not have, you still love me.
Me will show you how me love you with my tweezer.
Not with the tweezer.
Okay.
With the garden. Use the garden and show me. And that's really show me now. You love them, you know? Yes, you make them water the garden. Yeah. How many times you go to say, you like my instrument? You know music instrument? Yes, baby. You like my job. I like to just beat it. You're like that. You're like
Okay.
right. And
So what other instruments you play, my baby?
like my guitar, you know, like pluck it ching, chung.
So you have whole a band?
Huh?
You have whole a band that you play?
Yes. And the violin. We just put it on my shoulder and just stuff.
So why? How much people in your band, so?
You alone, baby. Yeah.
It better be me alone.
Yeah,
Because
you
you see if anybody else in there, hey,
no,
you know what? You know want play with me. You notice say when me go quiet, me go dangerous, and me go quiet now. So go on with the peas.
Yeah.
I know you are deal with the peas.
Eh?
I know you are deal with the peas.
Not that the peas. They're gonna be sharp. Yeah. All right, be honest, you know. Me have a cook shop, I'm have a regular bar shop. Yeah, it run good.
Where there?
But you don't have half of that because you're married and we sign contract too.
No, baby, because you know, see me have my online business already. So me no want piece of your shop.
You have your what?
You don't know that already, so stop making nice.
Oh, that one there. It's a different one. Anyway.
And my sister, me I forgot do you the same, because what is good for you is good for me. So love you. Anything you can do, me can do better. Love you.
No.
Yes. No, because if you not do nothing wrong, then you don't have nothing to worry about.
And anything what me can do, you can do better. Cause what me.
Yes. Remember, so me I do it and me I do it better and longer. Go long.
My son hot. Jesus Christ. Come again, Jesus. I'm not here, I'm saying.
I first me see you sit down without your sister. Where your sister there? Where you want sit down yourself do? Where Kena?
Kena Gandu.
So make you stab her so.
Yes,
if Kena Gandu one here, mommy Kena Gandu one here, what make you stab her?
I'm set over. Mommy Kena Gandu one here.
Oh.
Happy now?
What time she a come in?
No.
No love one that you so do. But anyways, me a go to the shop. Something I will get to cook. So me soon come back. You hear?
When I come, can I wash stuff in me?
Alright, you love soda do. What kind of clothes that you in your go?
No, mommy. You know, me just show me a touch of local cream, mommy. Me just put on this.
You go hard to come. You see,
I'm hard to come, mommy. Me I come already.
Alright, me so come.
Yeah, alright. Later, love you, mommy.
Love you too, baby.
Kena, me just tell one big life, girl. Wait there, hurry up and come. Come tell mommy say you're gonna come here, and you know when I hear you're gonna come, hurry up and come before mommy reach back. Me do just a wait for you, hurry up and come. Alright, later.
String bean.
Where ask mommy sister there for?
You see now, are you on there outside now? How they are burp yourself.
So
and then say you can't get squawk get your shot. One cook a full basket.
One cook on can't full basket. That's why no can't touch me. I'm going to provide packs. No can't touch me. I'm not back on the now. What? Yeah, if you would have bleach your cow skin, that look good.
Girl, this is not cow skin.
A cow skin catch all your face. Girl, shut up. Wanna come out? Wanna come out? Girl, you're crusty. You're crocodile skin. Wanna come out? Talk no man and forever hold in the peace.
Bleach get complexion.
Girl, I'm not for bleach to get complexion. I'm really proud of my freaking complexion.
If you know you see pro type of the pro, you wouldn't go bleach.
Shut to me back.
You won't just stuck in tear up like you.
Like your green skirt where you know when it's supposed to like wash for 19 years.
Cause I've been wearing it all over my yard and I've been working and doing house shows like a picnic for do when they live with their mother. Look what kind of money with me with a piece of pride that step through the door and the fire possessive bus through.
Change your sentence, 2026. Change me. Tell me.
Don't really come and start argue with me.
Look on two of them.
Look back here to them. Look at this pazzo.
You not hide them. You hide fear and stuff.
Not hide mine.
You can't matter baby father. Did you tell us my breathing?
Girl, it is in the street.
Listen to me. Me not rough in the belly. I'll me do a breathing. I don't ruffle belly. I don't do the ruffle game. I don't know.
Yeah, 6 2
Unlike you, if you ruffle, I don't ruffle.
Me not play ruffle. Me not take man.
That concern.
I'm sorry again.
How that sex part concern?
Take me small.
Man your business.
Uptown, downtown, text somebody drunk. Me not chat to you, movie. Me not chat to me. No, I chat to you. So how you rich tonight?
Jamaica smell good, man. Jesus
Christ. Me I wonder which part of you smell. So if your mouth or your own, no, my mouth can't smell. I'm brush it.
Your mouth. Your mouth are rotten.
Like your own.
Yeah, you talk a little bit too much. You irritate my spirit now.
I want to come back. I'm there, so I'm old. He's gonna come. So I want to come back.
Your appearance and your existence are bad me. Oh, I forgot. I miss Jives.
Come on, you know that time. No waste of time. Waste of time. Come on.
Glad you no touch me. Cause you only touch me. But I show no what a clock a strike. Even though I can't on the day out, I'll link me one bad or be a man phone. But you can't. Me no. You can't touch me. No can afraid of me.
You know, but man can't wipe it down.
Yeah, I'm an idiot. And I really like to look at top tier dolly.
Oh God. Jesus. What you know? Lord have mercy. Yes. Hey. 2 prostitute. Where's the other one? On the minus? On the minus?
Long time old man, we are called prostitute.
You know, serious?
My just don't have nothing to do with being prostitute.
Let me tell you something. For sound 18, 19, before you go look work, you sit down yasso. Sit down right yasso. Hey, you know, back in the days why you used to do yasso before bridge become popular. Yasso they used to sell cabbage and chocho and them something there. Back in the days, yasso, every man come. So we had the yasso. What are you doing here, sir?
Me feel like someone that just fly kick. You know, shut your mouth. Me glad. Hey, me glad you say that you're my father, and me glad to never you my mother breed for. Cause you come like see a tooth and you have your chest like today and look big. Hey, I don't want this, you. I don't want this, you know, sir. Why you not going where you go? Why you come here, sir? My sister not there, so today so I feel like you can walk on me. What a wrong decision you gonna make. Wrong decision you gonna make.
Oh, so your sister book a client, so you live here, so.
I can't pay book.
And go on with the client.
My sister gonna do here. Here, my sister gonna do.
That's a stupid excuse. Hello.
That's a stupid excuse. I'm gonna make excuse for that. I'm not sure if my sister gonna make excuse me. Then later on if you do something, someone will make none fear.
I don't know why your mama never lock your leg before you buy.
Why if your mother never lock your leg and squeeze you?
Ah, you do.
If you squeeze you, so that you born with 4 years.
Ah, you do. You think you can't even count?
4 years.
You can't even count. It's I come.
I don't tell me. I let my mother tear out your face. My mother has no secret to you, know. So if you feel like you bad, you let me one more time and make my mother bust your secret them. Why will you get this thing?
And you would have surprised when him bust his secret.
Me not surprised.
And you are a fear.
Me not feared. I must call on the gospel so for me. Me not feared.
You don't know nothing about cologne, eh? See it? Someone is not.
Income pool. You have something in our back where you spray a pal, twist and put your nose in the coat. Idiot. Because I must not take gospel for me in the coat and for me army fiend. Not less time make me.
Me as a big man. You could have been your father. You are called Jacka?
You could never be my father. Never in our history you could never be my father.
You're right. You're damn right. You're damn right. I could never, ever, ever be your father. Because guess what?
Every day in one piece of slippers. Fake Jordan 23.
You don't be a jacket. And first thing, when my daughter reach adult stage, she couldn't just apparel like that. Because guess what? A people dance.
You look certified or prostitute daughter have problem with my dressing. Me know the reason why me in a stocking out here, so. You look dead time kidney. Now you go look alive and live your
You don't argue with youngster here, because youngster no man and youngster no know themselves. Because all you do a piss in the bed. You don't understand nothing about life. You me have to say to you, I give advice. You see, if you want to learn and succeed in life, you dress properly and people address you properly, yeah?
I not succeed. You look like you are succeed. Me not succeed. That you people say you succeed in life. Me already suck this seed and reach me want reach. Leave me alone.
You see? Pay dance. Pay dance.
Pay dance.
I tell you already, and I'm going to tell you again.
I 30 subject and I Jamaica if you know about the study, so that's a lie.
That's a uno. But I try to study everything. I try to study electric, water plumbing, baking, cooking.
The skill them there. Those are skills. Those are not subject. Those are skills.
Alright. Brain box. Me glad. Me life when I don't feel like on a bride. 5 multiplied by 500. Watch out. Calculator. If you're a young girl, when you breed in the future, I saw you going to take out your phone to Google the man them. You bastard.
Are your daughter to go Google down, man?
Hey, turn up that check me. Eh? You turn up that check me. You think I'm afraid of you? Hello.
Say, hello, you let me today. Hey.
Send your mama to me. Let it go. Send your mama to me.
Hello.
Send your mama to me.
If you give me the phone, you know. Me not wall.
Send your mama to me.
If you walk when you're picking them. I feel.
Mommy so making wow if you pull it. You know what I tell him say? I tell him say a gunman stick you up.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? For your gunman.
And tell him so then run it buff. And when you can't do that, so just give them an envelope. When you know what in there. I tell him so when you know say money in there.
Hello. Hold on, I'm sending out this one. Oh, Mr. I did cook. So give it to me. Quick. I need to go down to the bank and now. Give it to me.
Daddy? You don't want to know what happened. You don't want to know what happened.
Good man, stick up your road and say we give them front. And then they go grape way and we say no, we can't do that. And they say one afternoon. So we say, oh, Father, son, go collect something on one. And they say, oh what? And then got envelope on them run off.
Wait, come again. Where's that say?
Gunman stick way up. Gunman stick way up.
And take the envelope and run off. Cause they do one grape way.
Why you never make the gunman grape for you? Why you never give the gunman peace instead of give my envelope? I don't know why
Money in there.
Money! When that change out of $6.5 million, you know? When that change, God have mercy. What we are doing, you know?
To live.
Where?
Life.
This one change right now.
Daddy, so, yeah, tell me, say.
So the money could have been one of them car there?
Buy which car?
Look at the
The money was supposed. Oh, that car look good still. The money was supposed to buy a land. He was supposed to buy a land. Because me and the woman all live forever.
You never know what in a...
Because me know so when story come to bump, I need to have my own.
You know ball. Me say where daddy go.
You know bad yet. You know bad yet. Because when I done with you,
Where go do daddy?
when I done with you, that's when police can't find you.
Where go do with you?
You see how the wicked old people then do their one look nephew and cousin. I know they can't find him. I know they can't find him. They don't find that one shit. Eh? So they were there heartless. I would be like them too. I would be like them too. I will get heartless. You know what is 6.5? 6.5? Eh?
Dollar?
Dollar your backside? You know what is 6.5? Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, December. Me I felt those like Yankee.
Like it's tough you up in your nose. Just a bright. You know what is 6.5? 6.5? Eh?
But I help me up the back.
Come and go grab a bank and get back the money.
Yeah.
You know what you're gonna do
Look
now?
out for the police.
You know what I got now? When I go to my yard, I go and put out on the backside. I shall take you to the bridge. When I go and start the OnlyFans. When I have to make back that money they give me instant.
I have a batty wall.
I don't me I say.
Oh, what you say? What you say? Hey! Fireman! What you say? Eh? Nasty piece of broad, you know. With 6.5? Alright. I can't do good on the tell him that mother go accuse me. And to me, I think son him again. No, you know, go back down the road.
No. I just saw the plan one by one.
Do what?
Vita.
Want beat her for trouble?
Wait, who?
How will the mother bull cow?
Are you me and chat to knock the wall can't chat and the wall
Oh,
can't.
Marga string bean. I really me wanna come out.
Marga class, Marga, pot a cup to sister them batty black.
Me tell it to you already, you know. And me go telling you again, you know. If one owner let me,
And what if
me
you
a
do
make sure say my mother got biggest hobby a man. Fit to a unu. As you see my mother sacrificed my father. And he dead.
And that's how your fatherless.
What you just said?
So me when my mother sacrifice you are no mama and no papa. Me no business what you want say Marga girl. String B, me no care what you want say.
No, mama do what?
Sacrifice my father.
Sacrifice the father.
Yes.
The blood of Jesus against your little girl. What about the throat? You're bright. You're fierce. You know the
I'm supposed to face the way you take this thing. No, me don't be fierce. Yeah, you told look at drink bang me, you certified what pick me them. Why you don't get people?
Let me go.
Hello.
Daddy, let me go. Let me.
I still
Look at me
have
church
my
from.
6.5, you know.
All your underpants wash out. Jesus Christ.
Your panty wash out too.
Yeah, I can joy don't wash out. Say don't wash out. Don't break yourself with this. Oh, you break yourself with me.
You need to do Marga one.
Go find your baby father.
Find your pooper.
Me soon find my father. My father is 6 feet deep. I don't know sure my father can
You
even know it.
God forbid that is.
You can't find it in grave.
Mama, you can't wash your hair.
Come use your tongue and
You
wash it.
can't use my tongue and watch it.
And get a spoon and a fork and come here about them. That's why you make it get fatter.
Me can't get fatter girl.
Hello. I'm a
Yeah, licking.
with more to the top out.
Yeah, man, want 6.5 mil.
We're not going to do the holy fan tonight.
I was in a body. I have to tell you that. We have it for.
Well enough.
Make you say it.
Me.
Sure.
All man. You know, plan to give me back my phone. Let me go to my mother, you know. You don't make me go to my mother, you know. Cause me go to my mother, you not gonna like it. Say better you give me back my phone. I don't make me talk 2 times.
Where you call me?
Old man, cause you hole.
Alright, see your mother come there. See your mother come there. Tell him say me have your phone. Tell him say me have your phone. You hear? See your mother come there.
Old man, shut up.
Tell them me have your
You take your fast back and bust your forehead.
tired of you now.
I want me also.
Me tired of you now.
Then look old man why your sister claim to see and baby father ring husband take me phone for me and don't want to give me back. Mommy tell you if you give me my phone before me broke your fast back across in face.
Say you sacrifice me. Eh? And how me the 6'6" down. Eh?
Are your father you disrespect, so?
What the fuck? Who my father?
Are your father, girl? I mean, disrespect, so?
This can never be my father. Cannot even hear this. This can be my father.
Well, are your poopa?
Talk to it to me then.
Then mommy, I see the little who what this you go bring to your sister, man? What kind of dog life you did I live?
Very jealous over my sister.
See,
So
that's
yes.
why you look so.
Yes.
No respect for you again, you know.
Okay.
Listen, I'm telling you.
Mommy, mommy.
Nobody be like your unwanted sister, them mommy, you know.
Mommy,
Oh.
me tell her, no corporate no face, no come, no look pick me. I see you what this? You gonna be with your sister, man? No, man. Me need to see auntie, fit and
You know
auntie
what
this.
happened?
What happened?
The man did want me and my sister flick up himself in a him.
Mommy, I really that man that you gonna breed for?
Look here. Me are the mother and you are the child. Don't question
I
me.
don't business what you want. So cut this pant, you left me speechless.
Don't question me.
Come like a shot, I better take me.
As
God.
we just
If I
said,
don't want to me boss
the
it
man
no
did
for
want
me.
me and my sister push
Hello, me and your mother is two different
Hello.
things.
As much
What
as
you do?
don't put on for me daughter.
What? No, what are you?
Every time we go and check off your money, you know, give me, so don't put your hand on me, you know.
You sure to the bastard there, man?
Yes. Then I fool.
You sure?
Stop time for me for me.
The amount of jacket we give on this island here.
I mean, but me sure
All
that.
the two opinion alone, you get, and the two of them are for you.
Look how him feel jawbone. Yes, you jawbone.
Jesus, that the first
The
one.
amount of jacket.
Let me tell you something. You never know, say a jacket when you go up under me and go down under me and wind up in a minute, sweeter.
Yeah.
Okay, and the same night they you busting on me and my braid. We find out say me a breed 2 months time. So yes, I feel black picking this. And the other one when you came, I feel them. Yes.
So, mommy,
I
hello,
feel picking.
me no really rate me no. But, you know how much time I make with disrespect my father? Walk past my father parade. Days after days and he's
Half him.
and we disrespect him. Me take up there 2 sword and I can lick him down.
Look here, turn up your phone. And me a slap so.
No, mommy, dear, like
You know
what
what
you
your wife
do
know,
this man.
No.
Have you ever buy a pack of pampers for me for them? No, all the other 2 girls, me and the 2 nieces, they don't buy pampers for.
Think so.
You ever buy up?
So, mommy,
I'm not sure.
You ever take come on me and go give you a sweetie?
Me no know.
So they can't be here, so.
Let him know now, come here now, mommy.
Me just vex.
Come
Look
here.
here. Alright, don't put on for me daughter again.
Turn up right as a mommy.
First of all, they in your name, and me can go change out to whenever I want.
Mommy, come here
Come
and
on.
argue with the little bastard.
My
Turn up right there, you know, say no, you know. Then 2 look who are real girl, they are really my sister, cause of them not, mommy, no
You
man.
didn't even know because you see my sister. One of them are not fair. You know secret, no, if you want your secret. You see my sister 2 daughter them? The black teeth one and not see you.
me did know. You said me did know.
So secret I go for no.
Me did know. I mean, I say, how this one does look so? This one does jet. Hey, that one that really favor job on to, you know? Yes.
Yeah, they are second to mommy favor
But
job.
me know for
Me
sure.
could have favor
the
job
two
on
and a half,
job on to
I
first job
feel
on tell me
them.
my
And you
father.
choose to marry my sister over me.
Because your sister know how to grip it and lock it. You, fear ya. Lay down like a son dead fall.
Well, my mother have a bigger body than his sister,
Yeah,
so
I know.
all that. And he
Make
told
when
his
me
sister
a
to
ride
package all them.
This
Wait,
is
hold
the
on.
thing we don't know.
Oh no, in night when me already I go on my knees. How was that?
Mommy, what you go quiet, you go do?
Me did a tell lie.
Mommy, I
I was telling lie. We man are dumb. With anything,
When me already I say yes, baby. How was it?
I was a lion. But one thing with you know, when we don't want to stop with us some
Your fire
story.
shut door. Plang. In a me gut.
Yeah. So what's wrong with it?
I feel result then. I never yet buy nothing with them.
That result, yeah.
You ever pass them?
Send me back at the lab. That result,
They
yeah.
tell me say pass them and go
Stop trying me, you're not here. Coming on a respect here, you know my father.
Yeah, I father. You know say I father. They never know say daddy father. You
Just
know
make it
that.
stay, yes, okay. Make it stay right, yes, so. That's what your other sister nothing know. Make it stay right, yes, so. Because guess what? I they figure out a way of to divorce my wife without she getting anything.
You're not giving me nothing, you know, and that's the reason why I ever go to my sister for money, you know. Because I know say you give me sister money, and you never give me nothing, you know. You think I beg more, I go beg her. I true you not give me nothing for me picnic them. Make me go beg her.
That's why when you not lay down with man, you make sure that the man love you for
Mommy, I really
and
this
give
is
you
the
no money.
pastor there go to go and breathe for.
I will choke.
Oi. Relax. And me alone take care because tell me son and take care, yeah? So nobody come to her and kill her. Oh.
When just go?
Put it down.
Hello.
Don't raise your hand.
According to your mother, she said, I my sperm get you. No will reverse back the sperm.
You can't reverse back. No, I mean, I want you as my father, because you know my father. You never in my life. You should say, oh, no, man, I wish part of your smells like
Go and see your way. Go and see that come country to the yard.
No.
Go and see your way. I have to divorce my sister too. Go and see your way.
What do you want?
I don't want nothing.
I don't want
sell me front and take her.
Something you want. What do you want?
I don't want anything from you.
You want a land?
No, thank you.
You want a house?
Give your people them and them need.
You want one of the shop?
No, me need it. Give your children them.
Them, yeah. We are sell front secretly. You know, we are
What's
that.
the front seat? I have two picking them over there when especially moody where we dash your belly. And I really one and then baby before they have
She gonna do here.
One of them over there in that. The other one a jacket.
She gonna do here. You are.
You see, you want to say a breed? She had the real daughter.
Let me ask you a
question. Say crocodile teeth, one and then daughter. Oh,
hello.
Me want to see me and work with me again.
Bang belly goat.
Say bang belly goat. They look at
you is one of the jacket too.
Look at me belly flat.
So you know that.
I was seeing courthouse.
Yeah, we go see each other in the courthouse. I mean, my sister got deal with you. Blood thicker than water. Remember. Come on, we are good on. We are going for Savannah.
I don't really.
Blood thicker than water.
Mommy, you see all I lose direction. I don't.
Oh, me and my sister live and go through hell and everything. And she never malice me yet.
You know, come
on. Me tell you that. Oh, me beat girl and kick boy in the face too. So go on. Can me go a court? Blood thicker than water, member.
Oh, me put myself in a God. Why me do this? I put myself in a. Let me confess to me woman so I know, you know what? I confess to her.
Huh? Yes. Mommy?
What?
Me and my sister not living here anymore. Good evening. We're moving out.
At least one of you have manners. Good evening, Tash.
Evening, sorry, I'm eating manners.
Good evening, Moody. What are you talking about?
We are rich.
We're mish. We
We are
can't go to the store.
$6.5 million rich.
You're $6.5 million. You want to hear it again? $6.5 million.
We're trading and we become a millionaire overnight.
Trading?
Yeah.
Trading?
Yeah.
So I can start to cut. No, for tomorrow.
A joke you make.
I'm for real, something we're not gonna lie.
Sure.
So what kind of things in that trade, Panso?
No trade.
On phone. We are trade good done in somebody. We are trade all people house.
Yeah. So by tomorrow we get the house.
So hold on.
We are gonna buy land.
I don't know illegal things in that though.
No, trading legal. We have AI but trade and something we're rich, so millionaire.
Oh, baby. Yes.
Hold on.
Hey. I think I need to confess my soul. Yes.
Confess what?
My soul needs to be confessed.
What kind of confession?
Dear God, my God, my
Mommy,
God.
Come
yeah,
on, come to
talk
the point. Confession good for the soul.
Mommy, come here.
we are talking to you. We tell us we yes. We are moving.
Oh, you buy it tomorrow.
What do you mean by the move? The move?
Them have 6.5 million.
6
So how much your mother gonna get?
Six.
If you want to
So
keep
them
it
say-
a secret.
Oh.
What that you trade pan?
Oh.
Song, you know what?
Yeah, good.
The trading up near
good.
forex trading, yeah?
You're good. Forest trading. But I need to confess my soul.
Come then now confess.
Yeah.
Confess what?
If anything happens from now till tomorrow,
Can't go in there tomorrow.
forgive I, because I never meant to do it. Right? Never meant to do it. Every time you catch the door and tap make the door open up, you know, and catch the door.
Come on, me know the riddles and the parables and the rhymes and the slimes. Come, what?
Huh? Oh! Me catch couple fall. Yes. And put them in one cup. Yeah, man. Tell you the thing.
And that you are coming and sing.
Yeah.
What is the confession?
Catch couple fall and put them in one cage.
Papa, you know, say you're really idiot, you know.
You never know, mommy.
You drop on your head, though. You who love money and rum, so hear the words. How much?
6.5.
$6.5 million.
Where you about for? Then tell you say you not get none. Where you about for?
$6.5 million.
And what do you, Papa?
Me no know.
So what kind of celebration? Come me want to see if this is real. Me I wait for the bubble for bus. What kind? How go on you, sir?
Feel weak.
No have no hard failure.
Hey, how are you do? How are you do? And what do he take you?
Oh.
You better wake up and revive yourself, you know. And touch my picnic, you know.
No, a mistake.
And what do he take you?
No, mistake.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Where am I kill me for?
Mistake.
Which
Mistake what?
A mistake.
Raise your hand like that to my picnic them again. And it will be the last action you ever do, you know.
6.5.
Hey, me done warn you already, you know. Me done warn you already from the picnic them, you know.
Yeah.
You never push them out, you know.
Come here, carry your
Excuse.
Go on, come in and want no witness.
6 pounds.
Go on, me no want no witness in this.
6 pounds.
And what do you? Papa, you know, an alien or clone. What do you? You hear say you picking them coming the money supposedly and you are going so?
6 pounds. 6 pounds. 6 pounds.
You know, see smoke without fire, you know. I remember one thing, you know, Papa. Remember one thing.
Babe.
My observant.
Later.
My observant.
We have a church. Later. Now, we need to talk.
You at the church?
Yes. Me going to the church. Me need to confess to pastor. Later.
What is not this?
No man. Come like you now in the yard. Come like come and put it out.
Every day on the depend on like Lego bees. You know, I yard.
And you catch like you're homeless. You always see them, we always walk. You never know so they walk and them a hustler then.
How are yard?
Believe.
What you are doing?
You know not about me, girls, not about that.
Hey, me say to tell you, me not like a phone in you. It's why Moody can't talk to me. You cannot talk to me. Because we don't like you. You're sick me so
So making over me.
What make it look so? It look like go-go. Go-go look like you stuck in a one baga. First you look like a them.
Yes, me a go.
I don't even know if I call you. No, you look like what are you gonna call? Hooker. You look like them hooker, yeah? You walk a hook people.
Anyways, I don't have time to argue with you, because we are siblings.
Sibling who?
Cousin one.
Who are your siblings? Not trying to see them if you hear you.
I'm sure about you, because you're Jackie, but I'm sure about you.
Who are your siblings?
Sister.
God forbid, send that back to the sender. Who are your sister? Hello? What did all of this for? I fight have a sister out here.
Sister girl, my sister now we tap cause and fight. Come here.
What going out here?
The one their jacket.
I fight to know I fight off on the sister out here. Style.
Girl.
Well, the secret of the bus now. We can't take it no more, so we have to bust it.
She is me and her sister.
Oh no, a sister. Me and your mother breed for you one man. Me jealous of your mother. Everything we your mother have, me want in life. So me jealous of him and go live down with her husband. Every breed she breed, me breed too. So she and Kenna are no sister. Me can't take it no more. Me have to bust the secret.
Me tell her, mother.
Well, the man did want me, and your mother forced up himself night, and that's how come it happen.
You know,
and I don't hear me go right now to your mother. Shame
well, they can't talk to me.
I'm not talking to you.
Wait.
Jesus.
Up, so you are flying?
You don't even have the same father, no? Jacket.
Girl, I don't look good. Jacket, you don't look good.
You come like, see, you come on.
Sure. We are good on your auntie. Come on, the whole we are good on the earth. Story of the bus tonight. Come on. Let's go.
So we are siblings with you?
Yeah, we are siblings.
Yes, we're not siblings.
Oh, share jacket with you?
My auntie don't. My auntie and your stepmother that one for your father. So not me. Yes, your sister is Jacket. She's your sister. Kenna is your sister too. So now if you go live good, we are good on them. I go tell your mother because your mother don't know what go on it, you know.
So me did I go?
Come on, no,
me never want to hear a story.
Girl, come on.
What makes you tell the story and feel it me today?
Come on, well, we are good on there. Go on.
Mommy, yeah, shoot me go on.
Hush.
God,
only you make sense. Sissy, oh.
Auntie, me glad I see them. Auntie, don't get up your heart strong. Auntie, me have something to tell you.
Well, which breeze bring all our only yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, our jacket.
I tell her so she.
Hold on. So what?
Sis.
You are what?
Hello.
One thing at a time. You are what?
Jacket.
So, are them your for them body you come from?
Hello, you know that.
You not come from for them body.
No.
And me tell you who your father is.
You know, but different from that.
And the next thing, yeah, sister, don't take your man.
Hey, lie!
I come out.
I stepdaughter.
And I am
She's our father.
My daughter is your husband, daughter too. And the other one, the other daughter is for your husband too.
Easy yourself.
No, I joke can't make sense. Nobody run them the joke.
I'm not joking. And your husband never give me no ear for me pick them. Never ever hold down my mouth.
So hold on.
Oh, you can't chat, sir!
Oh, me can't chat, so. And you make me have to chat. All along, you check me, say, I'm going to analyze me if you not tell you. Yes, every breeder breeding come breed.
How are you would I get?
So hold on.
What you would I get?
So you go with my sister.
It's not like that.
And him force it for me.
It's not like that.
He don't greet me.
It's
You
not.
go with my sister. How you go then?
It's not like
How you
that.
go then?
If I'm my father, I know you.
We're chatting.
No,
Hello, relax yourself. Listen, relax yourself.
Hey, how it go?
You come like seasoning.
How it go?
Yeah, you don't move. You, come here. Before I talk.
No.
How
it go? You don't have no rights in this right, you know. You really breed my sister?
And on my fault, I am doing it.
Yes.
Don't touch me. No, are you me I talk to? Where you go?
Well, I know. Before me explain myself.
Me can't hear with so much chatting and keyboard them out. Keyboard them out, man. Don't touch me, pick me. You take me, man. You take more than that. Me not ready to deal with you yet.
No. Remember that she is not for him. Don't make me spread.
Hey, don't spread me in your fat. Just because you will lie with anything.
Don't make me spread your secret.
Before I explain myself, I find out 2 little secrets. Yes. Yesterday when I said I am gonna move. Yesterday when I said I am going down to the church, right? I find out 3 little secrets, a matter of fact, not 2.
A real confession.
3 secrets. 3 before I confess my soul. You, I hear that you're not my child and you're pastor's son. Yeah. It belongs to pastor's son. You!
Don't you me.
Only you is my daughter.
Don't you me.
Right?
You
know. What are you and your sister? You are not my child. I heard it. Down at the same church. You like you are running just against your sister. You gonna deal with the pastor's son again.
Sis.
Shut up.
You see him?
Shut up.
And hold me down and greet me.
Liar.
You remember when you need this summer from a little so?
Me already explain that.
And hold me down and greet me in the bush up the road.
Liar. Shut up.
But in check them say I go me, that's why I never
tell you. You can't sleep with pastor's son and get them 2 years in the last half. Yes, because you grudge your sister. You can't see your sister and live life. You can't in it too. You turn me.
Remember say we have blood.
Before I confess, baby, we need to clear the air. You. This is one of the wickedest and the hottest one. You see, all the while we tell her
get to the point.
You see, all the while we tell her she's pregnant. I don't know, run me down and say she's not pregnant. You wouldn't even want to know. My own son when we never tell him about. My own son.
What? Me a come. Stay with them. Me glad.
My own son. My own son when we never know about. We said about 30. We never know about him. About 30. 30? No! Me don't think that's old, but he's older than them. I'm probably 25 or 24 or so. Breed my own daughter. My own son. Me can't be say she. This year. This year one year. A running body. Till you run up on the wrong man.
You think everybody with you. Yeah. When me a run, me a go cat.
Is that true?
You're not pregnant.
Go and get the test and you will find.
You're not pregnant to Mark.
The test never tell a lie.
You're not pregnant to Mark.
The test never tell a lie.
But you sleep with Mark. You sleep with Mark.
I didn't even like me at 16. You can't wait.
Are you better that?
Me never know. I never tell you to walk and breathe everybody.
Right.
Yeah, you blow that.
Nobody never tell you to
Am I time to talk now, though?
No, with the sister.
No,
Am
I time to talk now, though?
With the sister now, baby, you have to see with it. With the sister.
Remember that we have the $6.5 million, so we can move out anytime we feel like.
You want me money?
You're not getting it.
Your money.
And my money then thief.
Okay. So what is in the dark coming at the light? What else? What? Confess, man. Confess.
Your sister.
A confess time. Confess.
Your sister. What?
I might know you touch me too.
Your sister, right? When you're there before she born, right? I'm here there. I'm here. Do. Your sister now, you come in the room, right? In the skirt and bend over. She never had no jazz. No jazz. And the temptation, the boy get up. And next thing, he connect. You know, the same speed that time. And then after you go push out she, then you go up baby. Then the same thing, but we end up, you cheat for me still. Right? So we equal. Because see, you get another man to breathe you. Why? Why you do me that? Why you do me that? That is hurtful, you know. That if you know say me married to you and know say yeah, I feel me to you, the man I see anything she do. She deceive me too. Say Tuano is too deceiving.
My time to talk now, don't.
Yeah, you still love me.
Hey, dirty boy! Now me have to talk. You understand me? You think some me an idiot? You think some me an idiot? You never know some me know. Eh? What is good for the geese is damn well good for the gander. Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! What is good for the geese is good for the gander. Eh? You think? Let me go! You think some me never know? You think some me never know? You know it, you're cheap. Miss Effie, let me go. Miss Effie, let me go. You there with him?
No,
you there with him? No, hey, come out to my face.
Alright.
Listen,
Alright.
me know from a long time come here an idiot.
Alright.
And what is good for the geese is good for the gander. So yes.
Me have another confession.
Go on now.
Yeah.
Go on now. Going to let go. Let go.
No, babes. Me sorry, yeah? Me sorry,
You
but...
sorry now, I'm gonna do it. Bun for bun.
You will on all the call for me, everybody a secret. Me sorry. You see your daughter, yeah? It's not a good daughter you have.
Sometimes I come out and that tired. I got him back.
I this your defend. I this your defend. Come back and defend it.
Come back here. You see she?
What is your confession?
Yes, why run? Because he knows that me can't go to the DNA. Right? Your heart too dead? Your heart too dead?
I mean, your boof, leak in your head.
If you don't want me know, come out to my face.
Me can't. She knows that me can't go to DNA already. And me just did pretend. And she come there with me under the quiet.
Oh.
Right now she a breathe.
For you?
She's breathing. See how they ask her when she confess.
Who?
Tash.
Oh,
Yes.
So hold on. When you find out that Tash is not your daughter? When?
Few months ago.
Okay, when you sleep with her?
Last
Your
month.
damn family wrong. You sleep with your own picnic.
I don't mind.
I don't mind, but you didn't know that at the time. You is a dirty rich. And there's a straight station.
Top one.
I can't sleep with you.
Confess. A good
I
people.
can't sleep with you, sir.
Babes.
If you can't find tell lie.
Babes. After me do the DNA, she said me could start do it after. I will do it.
Let me tell her true. You want me to me.
Hold on, let me tell you this. This is my name. This is mine. Hold on. So you're pervert. You're perverting at this. Me not touch you now. Pervert! Pervert! Child molester at this. Child molester. Family run.
Yes.
Family run.
You want me to great name. Remember, you tell nobody. Remember that.
Look at girl.
Yes.
Girl.
We are called girls.
No, you.
You know
No, you tell me, sir. Mommy a cheat on me.
Me don't tell you that. The night you come in drunk, you want me to go and grape them and say, why are you that? That's why I never like you.
Question. Me pick because you're mine, you know. Let me ask you a question. You feel, sir, I touch this girl without
Remember saying that touch her for you too.
With our sister, baby auntie.
You're family ram.
How me
You
a
feel
family?
shame.
You
do me and you do my sister.
That is not family.
And then you come touch your daughter. When you think so share your daughter,
No.
that is disgusting. And you're worse than a friggin' nuts.
You not listen. She come to me and say I should do a DNA because I am not, you know, connect as in with me, right? As in notice she's different.
When you lie, if you know how to lie,
You know,
you just say something different.
You man get that one.
Huh?
She have a jawbone.
You deserve a slap.
But a
you
pastor
think
son.
to me would I go with that?
But after the DNA do, few months later, that's the last month, she do the do. Yes. And the 6.6, 6.5 what them take. Did you know that she thief it from her other father and sister and sink it back in her boyfriend name.
Oh, so make it did a cry. Touch them! Touch them! Touch them, dirty junk or pervert! By the time me done with your chicken coop, everybody in the district are gonna see how I'm pervert! 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 Child molester! One the hell on the dirty! And me a go in and me a go lock me door from you know, dirty brute you know.
I the life pump grade alive. Every weekend him switch up him style. One phone a ring, one phone on silent all the while. One baby mother in a country, one live in town. Both believe of them alone wear the crown. Him smiling at them face, tell 1,000 lies, but truth can't hide forever in disguise.